Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick biscuits from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Crucially, have 6 tablespoons of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small pieces. Finally, prepare 3/4 of a cup of cold milk or buttermilk. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and speedy process. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, using a pastry blender or your fingertips, cut in the cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually pour in the cold milk, stirring just until the dough comes together. Be careful not to overmix. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and gently pat it to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 2-inch biscuit cutter to create your shapes. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your cut biscuits on an ungreased baking sheet. For softer sides, place them so they are just touching. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. For an extra touch of richness and shine, you can brush the tops with a little melted butter immediately after they come out of the oven. To ensure your biscuits are always perfect, remember these key tips. First, always use very cold ingredients, especially the butter, for that desirable flaky texture. Second, avoid overmixing the dough at all costs. A light touch ensures tenderness. Finally, serve your warm, fluffy biscuits immediately to enjoy them at their absolute best. They are wonderful with jam, gravy, or simply plain. Enjoy your homemade quick biscuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.